David, your 3-hour tour has just been requested.
How long is this tour going to be?
About 3 hours.
3 hours?
His plan's moving. You can't be optimistic anyway.
Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale of a fateful trip that started from this tropic port aboard this tiny ship. It was a mighty sailing man. That's a mate right there?
Yeah, but
Skipper brave and sure.
hey,
5 passengers set sail that day. I think we got more than 5 for
about
3
16.
hour tour. A 3-hour tour. Uh-oh, the weather started getting rough. The tiny ship was tossed. If not for the courage of the fearless crew, that the minnow would be lost.
The minnow would be lost.
So this is called minnow. This is called the dark shadow.
the
Night
Night
shift.
shift. That's right. Well, the ship struck ground on the shore of this uncharted desert isle with Gilligan or Josh, the skipper.
That would be Tom.
Millionaire.
Yeah, that would be me.
That's why.
Oh wait, sorry, that's me.
You got any movie stars?
That's Kathy.
Professor and Mary Ann.